Happy Friday, everyone. Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So to kick off the weekend for you guys, I am posting some cleaning motivation for you guys. I'm going to be doing a spring cleaning in my kitchen. So I'm taking you guys along, showing you guys what I do for that extra clean in my kitchen for spring cleaning. So today's video is actually a collaboration with my good friend Vanessa here on YouTube. So she has a family vlog channel, and then she also has her main channel. So on her main channel, you're going to find tons of videos about cooking. If you need an idea for dinner, go and check out her channel. She also does grocery hauls, and she recently just moved into a smaller space while they await the completion of their dream home. So she is just amazing all around, and she does a little bit of Dollar Tree as well. So definitely go and check out Vanessa's channel. I'm gonna have her main channel and her vlog channel both linked below. She's low-key my motivator in having a fourth kid. Vanessa has 4 little ones, and I'm like, can I do this? Like, how do you do it? I even send her like floor plan ideas. I'm like, how can I make this work having 4 kids? So she's low-key like my motivator. So definitely go and check out Vanessa's channels. If you're new to my channel from Vanessa's channel, hi, my name is Gina Schweppe. I do a lot of couponing content, but I also do a lot of different mommy videos. I'm on a keto journey. So far, I've lost about 13 pounds. So definitely stay tuned for my keto/weight loss updates. And I just do all sorts of stuff here. Like, I don't follow the rules here. I just kind of post what I want. So I would love to have you guys a part of my YouTube family. So don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And my suggestion for you guys when you're spring cleaning anything is make sure you are wearing some comfy clothes. Don't be rushed. Take your time, even if it takes you a week. It took me a week to finish everything. So I didn't do everything all in one day because that would just overwhelm me like crazy. And I always clean in my pajamas. And most of the time, like, I just ditch the bra too. I'm just like, what's the point? So I would highly recommend that. Ditch the bra and don't be rushed. So let's just go ahead and get to cleaning. This video is also sponsored by Grove Collaborative. Grove Collaborative is your one-stop shop for the best natural products at great prices. They're delivered straight to your door. They're eco-friendly, organic, and they have top brands like Mrs. Meyer's, 7th Generation. So they are also running a promo where you're going to get a free Mrs. Meyer's spring cleaning set along with walnut scrubbers and a scrub brush. And what I love about this scrub brush in particular is using it in my bathroom to clean up all of the toothpaste grime that gets on the sink. So I now have 2 of these in my house, and it's one of my favorite new tools to use in the bathroom. So there will be a link below for you guys to go ahead and sign up and claim your free Mrs. Meyer's set. So when it comes to spring cleaning in my house, in my kitchen, I always focus on deep cleaning my appliances. So the vents in your microwave, if you have a microwave like mine that's over your stove, it's going to collect a lot of grease. So I would highly recommend you guys go ahead and clean that out, because as you can see from my microwave, it's freaking disgusting. So this is what happens when you cook a lot of bacon. That's, you know, the keto life for me. I eat a lot of bacon. I really do. And then on top of the microwave, oh my God, you guys, this is so gross, but I'm keeping it real because I want you guys to see how dirty stuff like this can get. So last time I cleaned the top of my microwave, it was probably, not gonna lie, probably October. So it has definitely been a while. All right, so now I am tackling my fridge, and to be honest, I don't think I've cleaned the top of this fridge since we moved in. So there is a lot of dust up here. So yeah, definitely clean the spaces that you don't normally think to clean. That's what I do during spring cleaning. All right, so now that I have cleaned the outside of my fridge, it's time to clean the inside. And honestly, I put this off so much. I procrastinate with this chore all the time. But I just take all the drawers out, all the little holders out, and I will wipe everything down with a sanitizing wipe. And then I'll go ahead and use my dish scrubber that you will actually get free in the free gift set. And this is a great tool to go ahead and wash away all the ickies from the fridge. And I like to do this about twice a year. I really should be doing it more, but like I said, I procrastinate on stuff like this, and I just clean my fridge in parts. Like, I won't take everything out. I'll just go section by section, because if I do everything at one time, it just overwhelms me. So I just do it, you know, one shelf at a time. All right, so magic erasers are my favorite tool during spring cleaning. So my cabinets get really dusty. They get really icky, especially when it's right over the appliances and the coffee machine. They just get spots on it, and I have white cabinets, so it's really hard to, you know, hide that stuff. So I'll just go ahead and just scrub all the cabinets with my magic eraser. And then while I'm at it, I'll go ahead and touch up spots on my wall, because I have 3 kids and they have sticky hands all the freaking time. So I will use this time to go ahead and scrub things off of the wall. I'm actually using the walnut scrubbers on this one because literally there's food and I needed an abrasive surface to get some of it off. But I like to do this about twice a year. Again, I should be doing it more, but you know, what can I do? And then I also will go ahead and go in with some sanitizing spray, and I'll clean our baseboards because we do have 2 dogs, and my Chihuahua, he like loves to claim his territory on my baseboards every now and then. So sometimes there's even like dog pee on here that I didn't pick up. And this is just an area that I like to deep clean about. Again, you're going to hear this a lot. I should be doing this more than I actually do, but you know, I do the best I can. So I just go ahead and scrub it all up, wipe it all off, and it really does make the room look a lot cleaner when you do tackle these small details like baseboards. And even looking at this as I'm doing my voiceover, I need to paint my baseboards. So again, I'm going in with another magic eraser, and I'm taking off all of the lovely decorations Sawyer has put on the wall via crayons. Oh my gosh. Going forward, it's Color Wonder markers all the way. If you guys have not purchased Color Wonder, you need to, because then you'll save yourself the time and effort of scrubbing down your walls and getting crayon off. So I only use water with my magic eraser because I do not want to melt the paint. And I haven't had any issues with paint melting just using water and the magic eraser. So this thing is freaking amazing. So I do go ahead and clean up the windows really well. I'll go ahead and do the hose outside to spray the outside of the windows, but I love to do a really good cleaning on the windows and in the windowsill. Yeah, it's time to do it. I don't clean the windows very often. It's just not something I think to do, but yeah. So a nice combination that I have found that works really well with my windows is the 7th generation window cleaner. What I love about it the most, there is no scent. So I've used the Method window cleaner, but it's heavily scented. So I love that this is more of a muted scent. There's actually no scent at all, which I really appreciate. And it leaves no streaks, which I love as well. So I always will put some peppermint essential oils in my windowsills because this is a natural way that you can go ahead and prevent creepy crawlies from getting into your house. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on our other window. And like I was mentioning before, all you need to do is get a little bit of essential oil peppermint to keep the spiders out of your house, because spiders and other creepy crawlies, they do not like the scent of peppermint. So if you want something more natural that's not going to harm your kids or your dogs, or yourself, definitely try the hack of using peppermint essential oils. Grove Collaborative has a ton of essential oils you guys can go ahead and purchase. But my windows get so freaking dirty. So keep your fingers crossed that my peppermint trick is going to keep all the spiders away, because it's been raining so much in Southern California that once the rain dries up, then that's when all of the spiders and insects and all that stuff, that's when they're going to start, coming into the house when the temperature rises. So next I'm going to go ahead and just disinfect our kitchen trash can. I really listened to you guys in a old Dollar Tree haul like years ago. I was like, oh yeah, I replace my trash cans like every 3 months. And you guys are like, Gina, why don't you just clean it? So I thought to myself, you know what? You guys are right. I don't need to keep wasting trash cans when I can just go take the hose and, you know, clean it up. So that's what I'm doing, because we always get like coffee grounds in our trash and just other things that don't make the trash bag. And this next thing that I'm doing, I actually learned from Kimberly from Style Mom XO, and I'm taking some citrus essential oil and I'm just wiping the outside and the inside of my trash can. And then this hack just goes, it just makes the trash can smell better without actually having to put like fragrant trash bags or putting, what am I trying to say? Without putting some sort of air freshener in the trash can. So this does wonders, especially when you do it on a bathroom trash can, because your bathroom is more of a smaller space, so it's a great way to, again, deodorize your trash can and even make your bathroom smell a little bit better. So, and I've been using the 7th generation trash bags, and I actually have been really loving them, and I like that it's recycled plastic that we're able to use. So the next thing that I'm doing is I'm pouring some vinegar, 1 cup of vinegar in a glass bowl or glass cup, and I'm going to go ahead and run my dishwasher with just the vinegar. So this is going to go ahead and sanitize the dishwasher, and this is something you should do if your dishwasher is starting to smell funky and just to keep things a little bit more clean. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing and clean out our Ninja coffee maker. I'm going to go ahead and pour some vinegar into it, and then I'm going to top it off with some water. And I'm going to run the clean cycle on the coffee maker. And you guys should absolutely be doing this because it's going to make your coffee smell better. It's going to make it taste better when the coffee pot is clean. Thank you guys so much for watching today's Clean With Me in my kitchen. I'm going to have a few other spring cleaning videos coming your way. So don't forget to go ahead and check out Vanessa from Lemonade Mom. I'm going to have her channel linked below as well as her video. So definitely go and check out her cleaning video, and you guys are going to have plenty of motivation to get your butts cleaning this weekend. And do not forget to take advantage of that Grove Collaborative deal, because you're going to get a free Mrs. Myers set along with 2 little cleaning tools to help you in your spring cleaning. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.